vive la vida de manera diferente. Esto no es vivir la vida de manera diferente.
Girl, please excuse me if I'm coming too strong, but tonight is the night we can really let go. My girlfriend's out of town and I'm all alone. Your boyfriend's on vacation and he doesn't have to know, no. No one can do the things I'm gonna wanna do to you, no. Shout aloud, scream aloud, let me hear you go. Baby, I like it, the way you move on the floor. Baby, I like it, come on and give me some more. Oh yes, I like it, screaming like never before. Baby, I like it, I like it. Party, come on, fiesta, forever.
Esto sí es vivir la vida de manera diferente.
Cuando tratamos de ser mejores de lo que somos, todo nuestro alrededor también se vuelve mejor.